Today's case is a 50-year-old one-eyed patient with left eye nanophthalmos. Appositional primary angle closure, status post, laser peripheral, iridotomy, a grade 2 nuclear sclerosis cataract, and a previous retinal detachment repair. We begin with a small clear corneal incision, taking care to avoid sudden decompression of the globe. A dispersive viscoelastic is then injected to deepen the chamber and protect the corneal endothelium. The capsulorhexis is performed slowly and under constant control. In these eyes, the capsule is more likely to run out because of the shallow chamber and increased lenticular pressure, so patience is far more important than speed. Hydrodissection is carried out very gently. This helps avoid excessive pressure within the bag and ensures smooth nuclear rotation. The nucleus is then emulsified. The IOL is implanted securely within the capsular bag and centered well. Finally, all viscoelastic is meticulously removed, the wounds are hydrated and checked for a secure seal. Cases like this remind us that success in nanophthalmos doesn't come from operating faster. It comes from respecting the anatomy, maintaining a stable chamber, and staying one step ahead of potential complications.